and thank you for stopping by. I am journaling today in my personal junk journal made out of the Daphne's Diary magazines. It's in the traveler's notebook style. And for today's spread, my aim was to incorporate this cute little girl in her meditation position. And there was a quote that went with it from Dalai Lama. And I got this from one of my besties, and she's also my colleague, by email, and I wanted to just use this in my spread because it was so cute. And I also wanted to use this chance to play with my new washi tape that I showed in my last AliExpress haul. You can find them there if you're interested in getting any one of those. I have all the links in the description box. So I wasn't sure how this spread was supposed to look, but I knew I wanted to put her on some washi tape background. And the only reason I'm gluing that washi down is because the ends that I'm using are the first pieces that I'm using of them, and I have taken them off a few times so they lost their stickiness. So it's not that they're actually bad quality, because they're not. So now I'm just kind of trying to put something on the blank page. I don't really know what else I'm gonna do at this point. So I'm just putting down stuff, and then I find this very cute little post-it, and I figure I could put the quote on it rather than covering the flowers on the right side. And so I like that torn edge look, so I decided to put that there. And I wanted some more washi as a background for that. I just keep going until I feel that there's enough interest in that area. So then I stick that down. And then I just stick that quote over it. So now I really wasn't sure what to do with that blank space in the middle. I didn't want to leave it blank, and at the same time I didn't want to overcrowd the page. So I decided to go with this little green butterfly. And then I still didn't know what to do with the rest of the space. So I thought I would try stamping the date there in very large letters. Oh yeah, first I just go around the dotted line, go around the quote with a dotted line just to give it a little something extra. And I think there I was also still stalling because I really didn't know how to fill that space. So then I wanted to try it with those stamps. Those are from Simon Says. And I absolutely adore the style of these alphabet letters of these alphabet stamps. Then I didn't like them there on the left, so I decided to stamp them on those. Oh my gosh, I cannot talk today. On that page with the flowers. And even though I have the writing board underneath, they don't stamp very nicely. I don't know what I was doing wrong. The V then finally works out nicely. And then I add the number. And then you will see I totally destroy it because the page is slippery because it's a glossy magazine page. So I just decide to not think about it too much and just cover it with another part of a post-it. and just glue that down, stamp right over it, which is the beauty of these pages. You can't really do anything wrong. There's always a way to fix it, which is great. And then I decided to write something on the left side, although originally I really didn't want to write because I just didn't feel like writing anything. I wanted it to be a very easy spread, but then I just decided to look up how to achieve inner peace, and I found something that said, soothe and replenish your spirit, rest frequently, find a comfortable spot to unwind, relax, or take a nap. Learn to meditate. Mindfulness meditation will help you to focus on your spiritual well-being and can ease the anxiety and stress that hinders your inner peace. Free yourself of stress and worries. Now, I wasn't sure how helpful that is because they don't really tell you how to do that. But yeah, it was okay because I didn't have a lot of space anyway. So thank you so much for watching this simple spread. Hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.